Hello, I'd like to show you something a little bit special today. Corn at the moment here in Australia is really well priced, and we got these cobs for $1 each. Now I want to show you a really easy way to cook corn on the cob that doesn't require a stovetop or mucking around, and if you don't want to heat your kitchen up, perfect. So for all of you people in the Northern Hemisphere who are having a really hard time with the weather, the last thing is you want to warm your kitchen up. So what you do is you get your corn and you don't peel it. You feel for where the end of the cob is. And you cut off the end. Just a bit more, perhaps. Now, I'm going to show you how the magic. So, I'm just going to pop it on a plate just for cooking, and then go pop it into my microwave. Now, it recommends 3 minutes on high, but if you've got a lower powered microwave, 4 minutes. Okay, so just go 1, 2, 3. There we go. So, okay. All right. Wow. Okay, so let me get this out. It's going to be hot. Now, I'm doing one piece of corn. So if you've got a couple of cobs that you need to cook, remember to add an additional 2 minutes per extra cob. So with a clean, dry tea towel, it's going to be really hot. So you just squeeze it out. Oh, look at that. Can I tell you how good this smells? Oh, look at that. It's gorgeous. Now be careful. Really be careful not to burn yourself. But that is beautiful. Oh, tender, beautiful, very well done. So that is a very easy way to cook corn on the cob in 3 minutes. It doesn't heat up your kitchen, and you come with a perfect result. So how good is that?